Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi A4 versus Verna. We will explore their key differences across several important categories. First, let's establish their market positions. The Audi A4 is recognized as a premium luxury sedan, offering sophisticated engineering and high-end materials. In contrast, the Hyundai Verna provides excellent value and a comprehensive feature set within the compact sedan segment. This fundamental difference in class significantly impacts their pricing and overall offerings. Moving on to performance, the Audi A4 typically comes with a powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering up to 261 horsepower. It pairs with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and offers Audi's renowned all-wheel drive system. The Hyundai Verna, on the other hand, offers a 1.5-liter petrol engine, with a turbo variant producing up to 160 PS. It comes with options like a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, primarily in front-wheel drive. Inside, the Audi A4 emphasizes luxury with its virtual cockpit and a 10.1-inch infotainment system, providing a premium user experience. The Hyundai Verna counters with a large 10.25-inch touchscreen, offering wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Both sedans prioritize passenger comfort with features like automatic climate control and ample seating for 5. However, the A4 typically uses higher-grade materials, while the Verna focuses on delivering a wide array of modern conveniences for its price point. Regarding safety, both vehicles demonstrate strong commitments to occupant protection. The Audi A4 has earned a 5-star Euro NCAP rating and typically includes 8 airbags, along with various advanced driver assistance systems. The Hyundai Verna also achieved an impressive 5-star global NCAP rating for both adult and child occupant safety, featuring 6 standard airbags and available ADAS technology. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you prioritize luxury and performance or exceptional value and comprehensive features. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.